No, we're filming it. It doesn't work that way. I'm on.
No, I need you to help me hold this.
Okay, so let's just find a way to put it over here then. It's happening, mate, because this is about to go wrong, and we're capturing this on video.
Why?
Why not?
I thought we were meant to get subscribers, not lawsuits.
Holy shit. This is post rebuild, but the story of that will come in a full video soon.
Not a very good one, but it will come in a video.
What, a very good rebuild or a very good video?
Either.
It is TLC after all. Maybe you should have checked all this before I started filming and stand around like a numpty.
Oh no, we should be doing it. I'm quite low on fuel and it's on its stand. Neutral, sharp, bit of retard.
Yeah.
I've got oil on my shoes. Ooh. Thinking about it.
Oh, there we go. What a babe! It does run!
What a babe! Amazing.
That video was So Nick has been a numpty, and we'll do a full video on this, the rebuild of the before, because it is now fixed and working.
It was.
Well, it was until
Half an hour ago.
he broke the outlet fitting on the oil tank.
Yeah, so there's going to be this guy who's meant to feed the pump into the obviously missing oil tank, which is over there. This hasn't happened. So that's nice.
So sheared that off.
So I've drilled it out, and I've got this. This even comes with an O-ring, modern. And this will fit happily on here, correct thread. And I've got a 1/4 inch BSP tap. However, I do not have a drill because I'm a cheapo.
That will take the drill bit.
No, so we'll do it in the lathe.
It's just a glorified drill, right?
Yeah. But you just hold the other bit.
It'll be fine.
Could possibly go wrong.
Don't say that.
Nothing. Nothing could go wrong. Probably some bits.
So you're just freeballing it with the drill. Oh my
Yeah,
God.
it could do, yeah.
I think this will absolutely not destroy your
I can always...
centuries old oil tank, which
No, I
is
think
probably
it's
an
fine.
antique.
There's enough meat on that. Is that you?
There's enough meat in there.
It really was, wasn't it? Mm.
My trousers just inflated like a balloon.
Nice. A wet balloon. Maybe I'll have a rethink.
No, you started it now. Come on.
Yeah, hang on. Hang on. See how she bites. Not as badly as I thought.
I mean, that didn't go terribly.
Well, we lube it up. Oh, yes, good job.
You ready?
Oh, no. Go. We're getting there. Bit more lube.
Absolutely fucked.
It'll be fine because I can clean it out with a reamer.
I know, it's actually going quite well. I
I
don't know why you didn't want this on video.
Come on.
Showing how professional we are. Bring your stuff to TLC. You absolutely won't fuck it.
God. Is this what a drill dough is like?
I wouldn't know.
Hats off to you drill dough users. Because does it get stuck when you use a drill dough?
More lube.
Come on then. Oh, my anus is so clenched.
Can confirm.
Yeah!
Why were you scared of doing that? That went perfectly well. Yeah.
Yes.
Somehow that did go well.
We're on our way. This time next year, something completion.
Absolutely bankrupt.
Where's all my stuff?
That went quite well.
Certainly did.
How? I don't quite know. That was a good idea, wasn't it?
Which is rare for us.
Filling it with paraffin and then the nut gas.
Yeah,
Cleaned it out nicely.
and warmed it up on this cold day.
It's looking like fucking Snoop Dogg.
I don't know how tight to go.
Tight enough. Well, it's not tight enough, is it?
No, that's alright.
Is that just the length of it bottoming out?
No, it should just go a little bit sloppy, this. Might have to replace that nut.
Great. I mean, it's gone well enough. Like,
It's gone well enough, it's just this nut, the thread is wafer thin. As soon as I tried to nip it up, it just span. So I've just got to desolder this, replace it with this guy that actually fits.
and knock it back on.
Yeah, and it's literally just that, we're done.
It's like the least of the concerns.
Yeah, and then we'll put some oil in it and see if it...
Sets fire.
well, yeah, I want to see if it leaks, clean all this up.
Yeah.
Why am I fucking around with this iron? I've got that.
I was going to say, why don't you use the big ass fucking torch?
Camera. I need to just clean that solder off the side. Just want some flux. Oh, I normally would rub on with my fingers. Job's good.
So what happened there, Nick?
Well, this isn't actually big enough to go over the nipple hole in that, so that just needs widening out.
Yes.
That's hot.
Isn't it the length of it? I thought it was.
No, this doesn't.
I thought that was the
This. Why do we have to do some video?
Why are you touching this hot?
It needs to go over there.
Okay.
So this needs to be.
Get it on the lathe.
No, I'm going to use a drill like a normal human.
No, but it went so well on the lathe earlier. Let's use that for all drilling purposes. I go again with a nut that actually fits now. In with the Vaseline like a pro.
Like a pro. Doing it all my life.
Just the one finger, right?
Yeah, you wouldn't use 2 fingers. Otherwise, what are you going to use the other 4 fingers for?
4 fingers.
He says getting down on his knees. Bit of solder. And we are. It looks shit, doesn't it?
Yeah. Got some little girly hands in there.
That'll work a treat.
That should stop all of the leaking now. I said should, not will. If you think it was only coming from there to start with.
Yeah, so this wasn't actually leaking down here. Originally it was, before this oil valve was replaced. Crankcase pressure was coming back down this line, because there's no actual valve in here. It was just a tube. Yeah. So when the piston comes down, it was forcing pressure back into the pump. It was then pissing out the bottom here, around this seal that I could never get to seal. And then it was forcing oil through the oil pump drive into the timing case, which is why I had so much oil coming out here, which is because the timing case is open for the mag, but I had none going into the crankcase.
That's what the problem was. It wasn't with the oil pump not pumping enough.
No, because the oil pump's just a little drip feed.
It just couldn't overcome the crankcase pressure with that shitty vent. So there was no oil flow from the pump outlet into the crankcase.
No, it was all going into the timing chain, which is why I had so much oil coming out here and none going in there.
Which is how you fucked it.
Oh yeah. Keep going until it goes loose, yeah?
Oh, absolutely, yeah. And then just put a bit of sealant around it. Pipe all fitted. Let's check for some leaks.
Always clean your funnel before you use it.
Well, that's lube, isn't it? Sorry. God, that's not going to go well.
No, it's not.
That's a bowl for. It's already lit. No, let's do it. We've started now. It's already coming out the side. Why have you got a bowl?
Look, let's not judge why I don't. How the fuck are we going to do this?
Give me that.
I've got a better idea.
Put that away.
Let's put it in here.
Hot potato.
Do this. Oh my god. I would never be a waiter.
You're not usually bringing cups of oil.
Oh, that can leaks, by the way.
For fuck's sake.
Just gonna fill that right to the brim as well.
Why have you done this?
No. Drop the can down ever so slightly. There you go. Yes.
Right, hold on.
I'll hold the can. I'm gonna lift this slightly.
Yeah, that's gonna go well.
Yeah, then the air can come out.
I know. I thought you were gonna pull up too much. There we go. Keep going. Hold on, you stay there.
But where else am I gonna go?
Let me pour your soup in.
Oh, with a flourish. Back of my head's getting wet. We'll probably need this actually to catch all the oil that immediately comes out of it.
You got the sun plug in?
Hey, if oil gets to the sun, that's a fucking miracle. Gonna put half in.
Fuck, can I put the whole thing in?
Well, no, because the whole thing is that.
Yeah, put the whole thing in.
Which side are you on?
The one that's going to make a good video and it just pisses out everywhere. I hear oil dripping, but I think that's
That's me, yeah.
You're pissing yourself or something.
What's it coming from?
Why have you got a trail of oil dripping from you?
Oh, it's not oil. I'm getting old.
Literally, it's like you're pissing yourself.
I am.
Right.
For a finger test.
A little bit, but I don't know whether that's from before or not. It wasn't bone dry. Pretty oily.
Yeah, it was pretty oily.
Looks like it's getting past the threads already.
Really?
I just saw a little bit there, past that O-ring that you split in two because you did up too tight.
Alright, well that's fine.
Less than it was. That's a win.